Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick hi. Like, I know I've been MIA. My job has been literally kicking my butt, and it's been years since I've posted a video, and I just wanted to just drop this clean with me cuz I be cleaning my house. And you see that little boy running around the house? Yep, now I got a kid. So it's it's chaotic in this life, but I will catch y'all up on what's going on. I am a mom to a toddler. Well, he's 4 years old, so is he even a toddler still? I don't know, cause I don't know this American system of grouping children. In Jamaica, where I grew up, it was infant, then basic school, then primary school, then high school. So that's what I know. But yeah, so I have a 4 year old, and I'm trying to clean this house, get it together so we can, I can be comfortable. Because the two males in this household, they would walk all over everything. I'm joking, but I'm not. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoy this video. Thanks so much for watching. Leave your comments below. Be nice, because I know nowadays no one has manners. No one's trying to be nice. Be nice to people. Like, it's not that hard. But leave your comments down below. Let me know what's up. How y'all been doing? I've been doing good. I've been momming it and sailoring it and wifing it and just living my life. Y'all don't even know what I got. Let me turn this TV down. I'm watching YouTube. Y'all want to know what I got? Because I can't wait to show y'all what I got. I need to do an unboxing for TikTok. My content is about to be contented. Okay. Okay. I keep forgetting that I need to stop looking at me. My content is about to be contenting. Okay. This is what I got. I got the creator bundle. So I got that. I got a case. I think I'm gonna have to return this because I didn't order this. Freaking Amazon. I got a 64 gig SD card, the screen protector, and the USB-C charger is what all comes in the kit. So that's what I got. Stay tuned for actual vlog and opening video. Bye.
Baby, come over. Be alone with me tonight. All these emotions is rushing over me tonight. right now, baby, lock in. Right now, I want it right here, right now. Turn it up, on a couch, on a boat, baby, spin around. Swing around, coming on my blouse. I want it right here, right now. There's nothing that I want as much as I want you. A psychic hit me, told me we got shit to do. We ain't got time like we used to. But we still shine like we used to. No, we still grind like we used to. No, we cut ties when we need to. But I need you and you want me and me. I can be the one that takes you there. To the ecstasy, on this magic ride. Baby, you can hit this, don't be scared. Baby, you can hit this, don't be scared. It's only gonna get you high.
Hey guys, so I wanted to do a voiceover for this portion of the video. Here I'm gonna be making a fall wreath for my front door, and the supplies I used are pretty easy. Everything I got from the Dollar Tree. I have a foam, what are these things called? Like a pool noodle. There we go. I have a pool noodle. I have a wreath frame. I got some zip ties, and then my scissors to cut along with a box cutter. And I brought my heavy duty stapler, but that didn't work. You will see I just continue using my zip ties. So yeah, first thing I did was I attached the pool noodle to the wreath frame, and it wasn't hard, but it wasn't difficult either. It wasn't bad. There's my son helping me cut the flowers. He's my little helper. Yeah, so I attached the foam to the wreath, and I kept it on there using zip ties, and then once it was stable, then I just trimmed the excess zip tie. So then I fed through these fall garlands, and I love these. I use these all over for decor. They're amazing as like fillers for any DIY project that you have for your home. But yeah, so here I'm using, I used two. Here I'm trying to use the stapler, and I realized that it wasn't holding. So I was like, you know what? I have the zip ties. I'll go back to them. So I pretty much used zip ties all around, and honestly, it worked out perfectly. So just always grab a bag of zip ties from Dollar Tree, because I use these things for everything. Well, not everything, most things around my house. So yeah, I feed the zip tie through, and then just get everything secured, and then I'm gonna be finishing wrapping the garland around the foam. Once I wrap the garland around the foam, then I'm gonna go ahead and stick the flowers into the foam itself. I cut them short enough where there's probably about 3 to 5 inches of stem left. I'd probably say about 3 inches of stem left, so that way I could stick it in the foam and it'll stay and not fall out. So I stick them in the foam, and I got cream flowers, burgundy flowers, and red flowers. So 3 different colors, and I had more cream than the other 2 colors. So I did 2 of the cream, 1 burgundy, 1 red all around, and that worked out perfectly. I loved how it looked in the end, and you'll see too. It and once I put the flowers on, and I realized that there was still some white showing, so I used the petals from the like the leaves, not petals, the leaves from the stems of the flowers as fillers around the wreath, because I had no more flowers and I wasn't going back to the store. So I said, you know what? I'm going to use what I had. I had the leaves, so I used those as fillers around each thing, and it looked perfectly. Like, it's been on my door since mid-September and nothing's fallen off. You cannot tell that the foam is there. I know on camera it looks like the foam would be showing, but I promise you it won't be showing. And if it bothers you that much, just get some more flowers or you could spray paint it. I'm a lazy DIY girl, so I used what I had and I left it at that. And it worked out perfectly. So, yeah, that is pretty much all I did. I hope y'all enjoy the rest of this video. I'm going to put some music on so y'all can enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments area if y'all decide to do this. And if you did y'all have any difficulties? And how long did it take y'all? Because it took me about an hour to do it. And it should have taken me less. But I had a few touch and go moments. But yeah, let me know in the comments. Talk to me what you did different, if you did anything different. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. And I appreciate and love your support. I appreciate your support and love you guys so much.
Your eyes coming like fiber. When them open up, we see heaven. You're the kind that bless my nature. Loving you like Rachel. We life coming like Bible. A parable of some greatness. From your heart till now, that's statements. Never fear that they hate stairs. You have the ever blessed good Lord. I gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you like up. The ever blessed good Lord. Gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you like up. The ever blessed good Lord. I gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you like up. The ever blessed good Lord. I gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you like up. I'm busy, like say you're giving me a boy baby. If it is a girl, then me kind baby. Squeeze up my body, what a birthday gift. Miss it is a heaven when that's birthday gift. Your last man make your earth hear this. If your hard work already be your first aid kit. Come in a me house, y'all a world place this. Baby, you're not afraid, call me earn races. I gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you like up. The ever blessed good Lord. Gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you like up. The ever blessed good Lord. I gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you like up. The ever blessed good Lord. I gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you like up. You know rank like this. Peace and love up on the head's high list. You know kissy but me feel like this. When we see your movie side like this, I know TV so me gotta be like this. Balance by your right wrist. When your foot is so high, girl, it is a flight risk. Come a firehouse and me birthplace this. Baby, no matter if call me birthplace this. I gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you like up. The ever blessed good Lord. Gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you like up. The ever blessed good Lord.